Okay, so good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, thank you. So now we are going to start our today's lecture of the machine drawing. Okay, so just I will take the review whatever thing we have studied in that last lecture. Okay, in that last lecture we have started welding symbols, right? Okay, in that last lecture we have started the welding symbols. Okay, and before that also we have seen what is meant by the welding and what are the different welding joints are there. Okay, so please anybody tell me what are the different types of welding joints? Yes, what are the different types of the welding joints? Yes, please. Yes, anyone please?
Butt joint, lap joint, T joint,
Okay,
corner joint.
okay, okay, so good. So please tell me when we can call it is the butt joint. Yes, please. When we can call it is the butt joint and when we can call it is the
When we weld two surfaces.
yes.
When we weld two surfaces.
Okay, then when we can call it is the lap joint. Yes,
Two surfaces which joined one after another, up and down.
okay, it means that uh, both the plates are overlapped to each other. Okay, or both the workpiece they are overlapped to each other. That time, suppose we have to make the welding, that joint we can call it is the lap joint. Okay, and suppose when both the workpiece or we can say the both the plate we have put front to front. Okay, the edges of that plate it will be front to front. Okay, that time you can call it is the butt joints. Okay, and again that butt joint having the different types. Okay, that point also we have studied. uh, Square butt weld is there, then single V butt weld is there. Then again single bevel butt weld is there. Okay, then single bevel butt weld with broad root face is there. Again single bevel with broad root face. Okay, that point also we have discussed in that last lecture. Okay, and for that particular welding we have also seen the what are their symbolical representation. Am I right? Yes. Okay, so now no. Okay, up till this fillet weld we have seen. Okay, when we can call it is the fillet weld. Yes, when we can call it is the fillet weld.
Two plates having perpendicular to each other.
Okay, suppose we have joined two plates and that plates it will be the perpendicular to each other like this. Suppose we are having two plates. Okay, I will draw here two plates like this. Suppose we are having the plates like this. Just a minute. Okay, suppose we are having two plates like this. Suppose this is our plate number one. Say this is the plate number one and this is the plate number two, and both the plate we have right now joined to each other with the help of the welding. Okay, and suppose we have to make the welding here. Suppose we have to make the welding here like this. Suppose we have to make the welding here and we have to join that two plates to each other. Okay, in such condition we can call it as the plate welding. Okay, it is called as the fillet weld. Okay, now see this welding and see the edges. See the edges, how that edges it will looking like this, and this is the welding like this. Okay, and see this is the symbol for the plate weld. Okay, what is the symbol for the plate welder? Okay, whenever we have to show the plate welder in the symbolical manner, that time we have to remember we have to just draw the one triangle, small triangle like this. Okay, simple. This is the symbol for the fillet weld. Okay, narrate. Okay. Yes. Okay. The condition for the plate welding is when we are joining two plates perpendicular to each other. Simple. Okay. Then what is the next type of the weld? Yes. Now see, this plate weld is completed. Then next type of the welding is plug weld. Okay, or we can call it is the slot weld. Okay, this point also we have discussed in that last lecture. So please anyone tell me when we can call it is the plug weld or it is the slot. Yes, when we can call this, please. Yes, what do you mean by the plug weld? Plug weld. Now we can say the slot weld. Yes, please. First of all, try to understand the meaning of that weld, and then we will discuss how to draw their symbol. Yes, please, anyone. What is meant by the plug weld? Yes, what is meant by the plug weld?
One plate is cut in small cross-sectional area, and other plate just welded on it through it. Sorry.
Just 1 minute. Okay. Suppose we are having two plates like this. See, this will be our plate number 1. Okay, see, this is our first plate. This is the plate number 1, and see, this is the plate number 2. And here we have to carry out the plug welding. Okay, simple. Plug welding is nothing but here on this plate number 1. Okay, on this plate number 1. See, we have to make one slot like this. We have to make one slot like this. Okay. We have to make slot like this. Okay, that much means we have to carry out this slot throughout to this plate. म्हणजे या प्लेट वरती काय करायचं आपण एक slot throughout मारून घ्यायचा आहे. Okay, and such type of the slot should not make on this plate number 2. Okay, म्हणजे काय करून घ्यायचं आहे फक्त only on the plate number 1 we have to cut the slot, and that slot it should be throughout. Okay, and now we have to overlap this plate to on the surface of this plate number 2, and whatever slot we have to make here inside this slot. Okay, inside this slot we have to make the welding. You have to imagine how that welding is carried out. This process is called as the plug welding. Okay, and how it is looking simple. See, this is the plate 1. Now see, this will be the plate like this. Here we have to make the you have to imagine, you have to imagine. Okay, here we have to take on one slot like this on this plate number 1, and here we have to pour the filler material, or here we have carried out the welding like this. Okay, समझते क्या? Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Yes,
sir,
please.
namaste.
Okay. Simple. Here also you can understood. See this figure. Okay. See this figure for the plug welder. See, this is the plate 1. This is the plate number 2. And here on the surface of this plate number 1, we have carried out the one slot. See, this slot we have to cut on this plate number 1, and that slot it will be throughout to plate number 1. The plate number 1 चा पूर्ण throughout आपण असा काय केलेला आहे slot घेतलेला आहे. Here in this slot we are making the welding. In this slot we are making the welding. This process is called as the plug welding. Now just you have to observe, okay, that welding portion how it is looking. Okay, you have to imagine we are making the slot like this. Okay, here we are making the slot. Okay, how it is looking? It will looking like this. This is the symbol for the plug weld. Just we have to draw such type of symbol. Okay, this is called as the plug welding symbol. Okay, so next type of the welding is the spot welding. Okay, so what is the meaning of that spot welding? Yes, any idea? Yes. What is meant by the spot welding? What is meant by the?
Welding two or more metal sheet together.
Yes. Spot welding. Okay. Just tell me the meaning of the spot welding. Spot. Its name is indicate the its name. Spot. Means suppose again we are having the two plates like this or two work pieces there like this. Okay. Okay. Two plates. It will be like this. Okay. Plate one and plate one. Now that two plate we have to join with the help of the spot weld. Okay, then how we can join this spot weld with the help of the welding? Okay, just before going to that, I will show you a small animation of the spot weld. How actually that spot welding is carried out. Okay, spot means just we have to go to the spot. Means suppose this is the two rods are there, two electrodes are there, and in between that two electrodes we are hitting the two plates, and just we are giving the just we are pressing the two rods. Okay, just we are giving the spot on this plate. Okay, so I will show you the animation of the spot welding.
Through my online store alone, we've sold over $500,000 worth of spices. That's so crazy.
I went from selling to my town to selling nationwide in 1 week. It's a whole new business now.
I built a multi-million-dollar company just on the topic of that time of the month.
Spot welding. The construction and operation of the spot welding is shown. Rocker arm, electrode,
See here, my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the two electrodes is there. See, this is the two electrodes is there. Okay. Now see, this is the two plates. Okay, and that two plates we have to make overlap to each other. Okay. See, this is the two plates, and these are the two electrodes are there like this. See, these are the two electrodes, and in between the two electrodes, we are putting the two plates. See these two plates, and that two plates we have to put overlap to each other. Okay. Now see,
work pieces. The metal pieces are placed between two copper electrodes and current is passed.
now see, the whatever metal piece means whatever our workpiece are there, that workpiece we are placed in between two copper electrodes. See this, these are the copper electrodes. So this is the one copper electrode, and below there is one copper electrodes are there, and we are passing the current through that electrodes.
The pieces are heated at the area of contact by electrical resistance.
Now see, this is the electrode, copper electrodes are there, and in between that copper electrodes, we have put the plates. Okay, see these are the workpiece, and here, okay, through this electrode, we are passing the current, and because of that current, what will happen? That plates it will going to hit it, and the welding is carried out. Means only one spot we are giving, only one spot is giving, so that this welding is called spot welding.
Then the electrode is pressed against the metal pieces by mechanical or hydraulic pressure.
Here also we are using the hydraulic pressure or mechanical pressure to that electrode we are pressing toward this workpiece. Suppose this is our workpiece is there, and we are pressing toward this वर्कपीस. ओके, म्हणजे हे इलेक्ट्रोड आपण काय करतोय, करंट ही पास करतोय, and again that electrode also were pressing toward the workpiece with the help of the hydraulic pressure.
Application of spot welding. The typical application of spot welding are shown. Automobile industry,
Okay, so understood? Yes. Yes, now it is understood all what is meant by the spot welding.
Yes, sir.
Simple. In that spot welding, suppose these are the two plates we are taking, that workpiece it will be there. Okay, and that two workpiece were overlapping to each other. Okay, and here we are using the two electrodes. See, this is the electrode, and that electrode they are made from the copper. Now see, these are the electrodes. Through that electrodes we are passing the current. Okay, and due to that current, what will happen here? Here heat is generated, and because of that heat, here welding is carried out. Okay, and this electrode also we are pressing. Okay, this electrode also we are pressing toward this workpiece. Okay, just through that we are giving the only one spot. Okay, so that it is called as the spot welding. Okay, you have to observe. See, this is the one spot we have given. Again, this is the second spot we have given. Again, third spot we are given. Okay, now how it is looking? Just it is looking a circle because we are giving the only single spot here. Okay, so that the symbol of that spot welding, it will become like only small circle. Okay, like this. So this is the symbol for the spot welding. This is indicated that spot welding. Okay, so understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now the next point is the seam welding. Okay, before going to that symbol, again we should know about the what is meant by the seam welding. Okay, what is meant by the seam welding? Yes, anybody having any idea? Yes, what is meant by the seam welding? Yes, what is meant by the seam welding? Simple, see here. Okay, the next point is the seam. Seam welding. Okay, suppose we are having the workpiece or two plates like this. Okay, okay, and that two plates were overlapping to each other, and we are continuously making the welding like this. We are making the continuous throughout welding we are carried out here. Okay, continuous welding is carried out. This is called as the seam welding. Okay, this is called as the seam welding. Okay, you have to understood. See, this is the workpiece, and here we are making the welding, but that welding it will be continuous like this. Continuous spot welding we are carried out like this. Okay, so this is called as the seam welding. Okay. So again we are having the animation of that seam welding also. So I will show you.
resistant seam welding. The construction and operation of the seam welding is shown. Vertical movement. Weak electrode, workpiece.
Okay, now see here in that seam welding we are using the field electrode. Field type electrodes are there. See, these are the electrodes. Okay, again we are using here same concept of the spot welding, but in that spot welding we are giving the spots. Okay, we are providing the spot through that electrodes, but here instead of that spot we are using the field electrodes. Now see here, and see these are our workpiece.
Water tube. Seam welding are used to produce continuous joint between two workpieces.
Now see here, when we can call it the seam welding. Okay, that seam welding we are using to produce the continuous joint between the two workpieces. Okay, that joint should be the continuous. Now see here how it works.
The workpieces are placed between two rotating wheel electrodes. When electric current is passed through the electrodes, high heat is produced on the workpiece between the wheels. Applications of resistance seam welding. The applications of resistance seam welding are shown. Brewery tanks, containers, heat exchangers, motor case, nuclear components, pressure vessels.
Okay, so understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is meant by the seam welding? Generally, you have to remember the seam welding is used to produce the continuous joints. Okay, or continuous welding. Simple. Okay, we are making the continuous welding on the surface of that workpiece. Okay, here in that seam welding, we are using the field type electrodes. Okay, and in between that two field type electrodes. Okay, here we are in between that both the electrode we are placing here our workpiece. Okay, that fields are rotating. Okay, again through that field we are passing the electrical current. Because of that high electrical current, here heat is generated, and because of that welding is carried out. Okay, like this. See, this is the seam welding. And now what is the symbol for the seam welding? What is the symbol? Okay, see the symbol for the seam welding, it will be the spot, and that spot it will be the continuous. This line is indicated for the continuous. Okay, continuous. Like this. See, this is the symbol for the seam welding, and this is the symbol for the yes. This is indicate that
Spot welding.
okay, spot welding, and this is indicate that yes. This is indicate that which welding? Yes,
Same.
plug welding. Okay, it is the plug welding. Okay, so once again I will repeat here. Okay, see here. First is the plug welding, and see the symbol. Then next it will be the spot. Okay, and that third it will be the seam. Okay, so now see the symbol. The symbol for the plug welding, it will be looking like this. Simple. You have to remember. For the plug, this is the symbol. Okay. Then for the spot, here, just you have to remember, circle is there. And for the seam, how we can remember it is spot, and the spot it will be the continuous, like this. It will be the continuous. Okay. See, this is the symbols. Okay, you have to remember. Okay, how the question will be asked in the examination. How the question it will be asked in the examination. Okay, to match the pairs. Okay, to match the pairs, they will ask the question like this. Okay, so this is the A side. See, this is the B side, and on the A side they will give the name of the welding. Okay, and here they will give the welding symbol like this. Okay, and they will ask for match the pair. Then how to match the pair? Yes, for the one, you have to don't consider it. Huh? Then tell me, A is matched with
Spot.
2,
2. Then 2 is matched with the
1,
1,
1,
and 3 is matched with the
3.
3.
3. Okay, like this answer should be there. Okay, such type of the question they will ask in the examination in MCQ manner also. Okay, simple. You have to remember this, huh? Okay. 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 Now next symbol. Next symbol is the supplementary welding symbol. Okay, supplementary. Now whatever symbol we have seen here, see, this symbol is called as the elementary symbol. Okay, these are the elementary welding symbols. Now we are going toward the supplementary welding symbol. Okay, supplementary welding symbol. Okay, what is mean by the supplementary welding symbol? Yes, what is mean by the supplement? You have to remember the supplementary welding symbol is nothing but it will give the information regarding to the welding surface. Okay, it will give the information about the welding surface, whether that welding surface is flat, whether that welding surface is the convex, whether that welding surface is concave. Okay, only you have to remember the supplementary welding symbol. The supplementary welding symbol, it will give the information about the surface of welding. Okay, whether that surface of welding is the flat, whether the surface of welding is the convex or concave. Okay, there is only 3 types of supplementary welding symbols are there. Okay, only 3 types of supplementary welding symbols are there. Now see here, see, this is the first type, flat. Okay, flat. Then how we can represent this flat? Means suppose we have to make one of the welding here like this. Okay, suppose we have to make here one welding like this or like this something, and we have to show the surface of that welding is flat. The surface of that welding is the flat. That time we have to use only one line. Okay, that time we have to use only one line. Okay, suppose we have to show the surface of that welding is the convex manner. Okay, whether you have understood the meaning of convex and concave. Okay,
Yes,
see.
sir.
Okay, if the surface of that welding is the convex, that time we have to use this symbol. Okay, this symbol like this. And if the surface of that welding is the concave, that time we have to use like this. Okay, like this, or we can say like this also. This is the concave, like this. Okay, so this is the convex. Okay, these are the supplementary symbol. And what is the meaning of the supplementary symbol? That supplementary symbol, it will give the information about the surface of the welding symbol, whether it is flat, whether it is concave, or whether it is convex. Okay, now see here, see, this is the B type. We can call it is the B type. B type is the supplementary, A type is the elementary. Now see the third type of the welding symbol, that is C, is combination of elementary. Combination of the elementary plus combination of the elementary and supplementary. What is meant by supplementary? See, these are the supplementary. And what is the elementary? Whatever we have seen. Okay. Now see, this is the third type of the welding symbol. What is the name? Combination of elementary and supplementary. Okay. Now see, in that the first type of the welding is flat single fee butt joints. Okay, you have to remember flat. Okay, how to draw the flat? Yes, just one line, and you have to split this word. Flat single welding split, that is different, and single fee butt is different. Okay, now because this flat is indicate that this flat is nothing but our supplementary symbol is there, and the meaning of flat is whatever welding we have to done, that fee butt weld we have to done, the surface of that fee, the surface of that single fee butt weld is flat like this. Okay, like this. Then next is the convex double fee. Convex double fee means first upon we have to carry out the double fee butt weld like this, double fee butt weld, and whatever surface of this weld is there, that surface of weld, it should be convex. It should be convex like this. Okay, concave fillet, we are knowing that. Again, we have to split this. We are knowing that the symbol for the plate is like this. Okay, and what is the symbol for the concave? Like this or like this. Okay. Here we have to show like this. Simple. Surface of this plate will, it will be convex. Okay, now see, this is the combination of the, this is the combination of the elementary and supplementary. Okay, understood? Now see here, see flat single butt welder. Okay, we are knowing that how to carry out the single butt welder. See, simple single butt welder. You have to remember this sentence. Flat. See, we can also show you here. See, this is the plate number 1. Okay, and see, this is the second plate. This is the second plate, and the edge of that plate we have to cut in this manner. Again, the edge of this plate we have to cut in this manner, and here we are making the welding. And but only difference is that the surface of this welding, okay, the surface of that welding, it should be flat. Okay, such type of the welding we have done. Now, how we can represent with the help of the symbol? We are knowing that what is the symbol for the single V, like this. See, this is the symbol for the single V, and what is the symbol for the flat? You see, this is the symbol for the flat. Just we have to do the one line. And now, what is the meaning of this total symbol? It is indicate that phi butt welder with flat surface. Understood? Yes. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Now see similar manner. Convex double phi. Okay, convex double phi. Convex double phi. Okay. See, this is the plate number 1. Okay, first up on we will carry out the double phi butt weld. Okay, double phi butt weld. Okay. Now, how we can carry out the double phi butt welder? We have to cut the edge of 2 plates like this. Okay, we have to cut the edge of 2 plates like this, and here we have to carry out the welding. And see, this is called as the double phi butt welder, but they have given additionally that surface of that double phi butt welder, it should be convex manner, like this, convex manner, like this. And now from this we can easily draw the symbol. What is the symbol for the double V? So this is the symbol for the double V, like this. Okay, so this is the symbol for the double V. What is the symbol for the convex? So this is the symbol for the convex. This is the symbol for the convex. Okay. आता मला इथे सांगा, या ठिकाणी तुम्ही कन्फ्युजन होणार 100%. तर या ठिकाणी आपण काय म्हणतो, दिस इज द सिम्बॉल फॉर द कॉन्वेक्स. ओके, ते असं आहे. आणि इथं खाली कुठलं दाखवलेलं आहे आपण? Yes. What is this? Please reply.
Concave.
Whether it is concave or convex. Yes. It is also convex, but it is the replica. त्याचा मिरर आहे, खालचा जे सिंबल असतो कायचा, दिस इज द मिरर ऑफ दिस व्ही. या व्हीचा हा मिरर आहे, म्हणून आपण दाखवताना इथं असं दाखवत असतं. दिस इज द कॉन्वेक्स. ओके, समजतंय का? त्याचा मिरर आलेला आहे खाली त्याचा. ओके, नाउ सी द concave fillet. Okay, we have to split. What is the symbol for the split? Okay, see, this is the one plate and this is the second plate. It means that both the plate we have two joints or placed perpendicular to the each other, and here we have carried out the welding. Okay, here we have to carry out the welding, but the C, you can see the surface of this welding is concave. Okay, then how we can create the symbol? We are knowing that the symbol for the plate is triangle. Symbol for plate is the triangle, and what is the symbol for the concave? Like this. This is the symbol for the concave. See, this is the symbol for the concave plate weld. Okay, so any doubt is there? Yes. Yes. Yes.
No,
Yes.
sir. No.
Now see, one is remaining. That is the flat single V butt weld with their flat backing run. Okay, now see here. Backing run. Backing run. And what is meant by the backing run? Simple. What is meant by the backing run welding? Yes, anybody? Yes. What is meant by the backing weld? Please try to understand. Okay, say this is the plate 1 and see this will be the plate C. Okay, 1, 1 and 2. Okay, and that both the plate we have to joints with the help of the welding. Now see here, this welding is carried out. After this welding is carried out. तर बघा ह्याच्यामध्ये काय केले आपण दोन प्लेट एकमेकाला जोडलेले आहेत वेल्डिंग कॅरी आउट झाले पण दुसऱ्या साइडला देखील बघा इथे बेसला देखील आपण काय करायचं एक स्पॉट देऊन ठेवायचं आहे. ओके, दुसऱ्या साइडला पण आपण काय करायचं आहे स्पॉट देऊन ठेवायचं आहे वेल्डिंग. इट इज कॉल्ड एज द बॅक वेल्डिंग. समजतंय का बघा. समजा दोन प्लेट आहेत आपल्या we are having the two plates like this. Okay, and we have to make the welding. Okay, we have to make the welding. काय करायचं आपण दुसऱ्या साइडला देखील याच्या बॅकच्या साइडला देखील बेसला येते की स्पॉट देऊन ठेवायचं आपण स्पॉट मारायचं स्पॉट वेल्डिंग करायचं स्पॉट मारायचं वेल्डिंग. इट इज कॉल्ड एज द backing weld and this is the symbol for the back weld. Okay, see that half circle and cat like this. So this is the symbol for the back weld. Okay, now say here what they have given flat. Okay, but flat is different, then single free butt weld is different, then with flat backing run is there. Okay, 3 combinations are there. Simple. Now see here we are knowing that symbol for the single free butt weld like this, and what is the symbol for the flat? See, this is the symbol for the flat. And what is the symbol for the backing run? See, this is the symbol for the backing run. So this is the symbol for the backing run. So this is the symbol for the back. Yes, understood? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here I will draw here once again. What they have given flat, then free butt weld, na? Free butt weld and backing run. Okay. Then we have to draw the symbol for the free butt weld. So this is the flat, this is the flat. Not the symbol for the backing. So this is the symbol for the backing. Yes. Okay, so understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So one more symbol is remaining here. Okay, one more symbol is remaining here. I will draw here one. That single free butt weld and double free butt weld is completed. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Double V I think not completed. Right? Double V. So once again I will take here. First of all, I will draw here the single butt weld and double butt weld. Sorry, single U and double U butt weld. Huh? Single U butt weld. Butt weld and second double butt weld. Double U butt weld. Okay. So see here single. Okay, how we have to generate the single butt weld? Okay, single butt weld. Suppose we are having the plates or workpiece like this. here for the single U-butt welder, we have to cut the edge of this plate like a J type. Okay, like a J type, like this. We have to cut this type of edge. Okay, again, see, this is the second plate. Okay, again here also we have to cut the edge of second plate, will be like this. Okay, J type we have to cut it, and here we have to make the welding. Okay, so here we have to make the welding like this. Here we have to make the welding. Here we have to make the welding like this. How it is looking? It is looking like a U. Then for the, so this is the single U. Then what is for the W? Again in similar manner, we have to draw. We have to, so this is the plate number 1. Again, the edge of that plate. Okay, the edge of this plate is also we have to cut in similar manner, like this. Okay, we have to cut the edge of this plate like this. Okay. And again, on this side also, the bottom side also, we have to cut the edge like this. And here we have to make the welding. Here we have to make the. Now it is looking a double U. It is looking like a double U, like this. Okay, so this is the symbol for the double U butt weld. Okay, now that welding symbols are completed. Okay, so just I will take the review, whatever thing we have studied here. Okay, I will first of all write down here the name of the weld and you have to tell me their symbol. Okay. So this is the form of weld and you have to tell me their symbol. Okay, then first is plate. Okay, then please tell me the symbol for the plate is. Yes, what is the symbol for the plate?
Triangle.
Triangle.
Okay, just we have to draw the cut. Then the next it will be the square butt weld. Square butt weld. Then tell me what is the symbol for that? For
Two
the-
vertical line.
Okay, 2 vertical straight line. Am I right? 2 vertical straight line. Good. Good. Then next, single V butt weld. Single V butt weld. Then tell me what is the symbol for that? Single V.
V.
Just we have to draw the V. Then next, single dwell butt weld. Yes, what is the symbol? Single dwell.
One straight line and one inclined line.
Like this, one straight line and one incline. Like this, na?
Yes.
Then single free but joints with broad root face. Tell me. With broad.
Y,
Why?
Yes.
V and straight line.
Single free and straight. Like this, na?
Yes,
It is correct.
yes,
Then single, yes, single dual with broad root face. Yes, single dual with broad root face.
one straight line, one inclined line.
Hmm.
Yes, yes,
Like this, no? This is the broad,
Yes.
broad root face.
Yes.
Then I think one joint is remaining. Double bevel, if such condition will be there. Double bevel joints. Double bevel butt joints. Then what will be the symbol? Yes, anybody? Any idea? Double bevel. Suppose we are knowing that. See, this is the plate. Okay, and see, this is the another plate. Then we can call it the bevel. If the one of the edge of plate we have to cut at a particular angle. See, this is the single bevel. This is the single bevel. Then how we have to carry out the double bevel? Yes. How we can carry out the double bevel?
I think just like double V butt joint.
See here. Okay, here we have to cut. We have to cut this edge at a particular angle. And again, this edge also we have to cut at the particular angle like this. And here we have to carry out the welding. And how this symbol is looking? See, this is the straight edge. So I will write here the straight. And
K.
here, this edge are looking like this. So that I will like this. So this is the symbol for the double bevel. Huh? This is the symbol for the double bevel is just K. Remember, the symbol for the is the K. Okay, understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then next, here also I will write here. Okay, what is remaining? Which symbol is remaining? Again, next, 7, single U. Yes, the symbol for single U is just U like. Then double U.
Spot.
Okay, double U butt welder. What is the symbol for that? We have to draw both feet like this. Okay, then please tell me the spot welder.
Spot welder.
Okay, spot welder. What is the symbol for the spot welder?
Circle.
Circle.
Circle. Then symbol for the plug weld. Yes, for the plug,
Voltage.
vertical line and like this. Okay, then what is the meaning? Seam welder. Then what is the symbol for the seam welder? Yes, what is the symbol for the seam welder? Yes,
Horizontal lines and
Circle
circle.
and two horizontal line.
circle and two horizontal line like this. Okay, then next symbol is the supplementary symbol. Okay. Then for the flat, what is the symbol for the flat?
Straight line.
Straight,
Vertical line.
horizontal line.
Vertical.
Then next for the concave, or we can say the concave, na? Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
concave and convex.
Concave. Okay, so this is the concave, and for the convex, it will be like this. Okay, then next, what is remaining? Then the combination of supplementary and
Sir, symbols प्लेट convex आणि concave.
कसं आहे सांगा? How it is looking?
Convex concave ला आहे.
Like this. Like this, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Okay. Then here also I will do. Then combination of supplementary and elementary. What is first? Yes. Suppose they have gone like this. Flat, P but single, but then what is the symbol? Flat like this. Suppose they have gone flat, single V butt joints. Yes. What is the symbol for that? Yes.
V and horizontal line on V.
Okay, and at the top we have to draw the then for the which welding is remaining? Yes. Backing run. Backing run is remaining. Okay, and backing run. What is the symbol for the backing run? Like this. Like this, na? It is correct or wrong?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay, now see, these are the basic welding symbols. You have to remember on this welding symbol, 101% there will be the question. Okay, you have to remember all the symbols. Okay, so understood all? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that welding symbols are completed. Right now we are moving toward the next point, that is the surface roughness. Whether you are knowing about the surface roughness, what it means by the surface roughness? Yes. Whether you are knowing something about the surface roughness? Yes, anybody? What is meant by the surface roughness? Yes. What is meant by the surface roughness? Any idea? Yes. Hmm?
Attendance means present ला
Yes.
आपण done का आपला.
Okay. The next point is the surface roughness symbols. So can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Now the next point is the surface roughness symbols. So again, it was very important topic. It's very important topic. Huh? So before going to that surface roughness symbols, so please anybody can tell me what is meant by the surface roughness? What is meant by the surface roughness? Yes, suppose we are having one of the components. Suppose we are having any component like this. Okay. Then what is meant by the surface roughness? Yes. Yes, anybody? What is meant by the surface roughness? Yes, Sudhir, any idea?
तर सिम्पल म्हणजे व्याख्या तर तशी सांगता येणार नाही. रफनेस ऑफ सरफेस म्हणजे तो सरफेस किती रफ आहे त्याच्यावरून
Yes.
त्याची सरफेस रफनेस काढली जाते.
Yes, good. Yes means suppose we are having this surface. Suppose this is we are having the components. Huh? Simple. Okay. Here it is not necessary to we have to require the actual definition. Just try to understand the meaning. Okay. See, this is the one component, and see this is the surface of this component. And suppose we have seen. Suppose this is the one surface is there. Okay. And suppose this surface we have seen under the microscope. Under the microscope. Okay. Then such type of the irregularities are looking like this. Okay, such type of irregularities are looking on this surface. बरोबर आहे काय surface वर अशा irregularity दिसतात का? जरी एखादा surface आपल्याला एकदम स्मूथ वाटत असेल तरी पण त्याच्यावर काय असतात अशा irregularities असतात. बरोबर आहे का?
हो सर.
So this is called as the surface roughness. How that surface is rough or how that surface is finished like this. Okay. Yep. Suppose we have, so this is the irregularities on the surface of this component, and suppose we have measured these irregularities. Suppose we have measured these irregularities. Okay, and आपण समजा ही irregularity आपण measure केली. Okay, then what is its value? Okay, that value it will be in micron. Okay, that value it will be the micron. Okay, then suppose that value it will be the 15 micron, it will be the 12 micron, it will be the 6 micron, it may be 0.2 micron, like this. Okay, see that 15 micron, it will be the rough surface. We can say it is the rough surface. Again, if that value is decreasing, then again it is smooth, again it is smooth like this. Okay, see this is called as the surface roughness. म्हणजे काय, एखादा आपण कुठला एखादा कंपोनंट घ्या, त्या कंपोनंटचा जे काय सरफेस आहे तो किती रफ आहे, त्याच्यावर किती irregularities आहेत, it is called as the surface roughness. Simple. Okay, here we have to just see the symbols. Okay, but you have to understood the surface meaning of that surface roughness. म्हणजे एखादा कंपोनंट जरी आपल्याला एकदम मऊ दिसत असेल, एकदम फिनिश दिसत असेल, जो त्यानंतर आपण तो मायक्रोस्कोप मध्ये बघितला, ओके, तर आपल्याला त्याच्यावर काहीतरी irregularity दिसतात. ओके, and that irregularity we have to check, and that irregularity is called as the surface roughness. Okay, then how to represent that surface roughness with the help of the symbols. Okay, simple. What is the symbol for the surface roughness? That is our point. Simple. Okay. Okay, here first of all we will see here the basic symbols of the surface roughness. Okay, there is 4 basic symbols are there, sorry, 3 basic symbols are there, and when we are combining that 3 basic symbols, then again it will become the main surface roughness symbol. Okay, simple. Just you have to see here how to draw the surface roughness symbol. Just one. Okay, we have to draw. First of all, we have to draw one surface. Okay, like this, we have to draw the one surface. Simple. Okay. Then, before going to that symbol, I want to say one point here. So what is the need of the surface roughness symbol? Yes, what is the need of this? Why we are going to study that surface roughness symbol? Yes, because okay, from the surface roughness symbol, we will get the following information. We will get the which method, okay, which production method were used. Okay, suppose म्हणजे आपल्याला काय करायचं बघा, एखादा कंपोनंट मला मॅन्युफॅक्चर करायचं. ओके, suppose we have to produce one of the component. We have to make the production of the one of the component. Okay, मला एखादा कंपोनंट काय करायचं, तयार करायचं. ओके, हा कंपोनंट तयार करत असताना आपण काय करणार आहे, पहिल्यांदा फर्स्ट आपण we will prepare the drawing. Okay, first we will prepare the drawing, and that drawing we will provide to the operator. Okay, that drawing we will provide to the operator. Okay, suppose in that drawing, okay, in that drawing, suppose we have to draw the surface roughness symbol like this. Okay, suppose we are draw here the surface roughness symbol, and here we are given this all the information. Okay, then that operator, it will become, that operator, he will become very easy. That operator, he has know which method we have to use. म्हणजे ऑपरेटरला काय समजेल या ठिकाणी, कोणती मेथड मला यूज करायची हा कंपोनंट तयार करण्यासाठी. Then हा कंपोनंट तयार केला तर या कंपोनंटची सरफेस जो आहे त्याचा रफनेस मला किती ठेवायचा आहे, किती स्मूथ पाहिजे, किती रफ पाहिजे. ओके, देन ओके, त्यानंतर आपल्याला काय इन्फॉर्मेशन मिळेल याच्याकडून, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ ले. म्हणजे बघा, व्हॉट इज मीन बाय द डायरेक्शन ऑफ ले. द डायरेक्शन ऑफ ले. Suppose this is the our workpiece, or we can say the component, and okay, the whatever irregularities are there, okay, whether that irregularities are perpendicular like this, म्हणजे जे काही कंपोनंटच्या irregularity दिसतात ते कशा आहेत, परपेंडिक्युलर आहेत का पॅरलल असायला पाहिजे. ओके, it is called as the direction of play. The direction of play is nothing but it shows the direction of the irregularities. Okay, that all information we will get from this surface roughness symbol. म्हणजे surface roughness symbol मध्ये काय काय माहिती असणार आहे तुम्हाला, surface roughness किती आहे त्या कंपोनंटचा, surface roughness value, whether it is 15 micron, whether it is 12 micron, whether it is 6 micron, like this. Then which production method we have to use. Okay, production method, that information also will be there. Then what is the direction of play. Okay, what is the direction of play, what is meant by the direction of play. The direction of play is nothing but it shows the direction of irregularities, whether that irregularities are perpendicular, whether that irregularities are the parallel, whether that irregularities are circular, okay, whether that irregularities are the cross. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. Then again, that surface roughness symbol, it will show the information of machining allowance, how much machining allowance we have to take during the production. Machining allowance. Okay, machining allowance, whether it will be 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay, okay, that much information we will get from this surface roughness symbol. Okay, जर आपण हा surface roughness symbol ड्रॉ केला तुमच्या ड्रॉइंग मध्ये आणि त्याच्यावर सगळी इन्फॉर्मेशन भरली, आणि suppose that surface roughness symbol we have given to the operator in the form of the drawing, that operator, it will be become easy. He has knowing that all things how to manufacture this component. Okay, आणि हा component manufacturing करत असताना ऑपरेटरला सर्व माहिती मिळेल की त्याची सरफेस रफनेस व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला किती ठेवायची आहे, कोणती प्रोडक्शन मेथड वापरायची आहे, डायरेक्शन ऑफ ले कसा पाहिजे, परपेंडिक्युलर पाहिजे, पॅरलल पाहिजे, सर्क्युलर पाहिजे, आणि त्याचा मशीनिंग अलाउन्स किती पाहिजे. दॅट ऑल इन्फॉर्मेशन विल get to that operator from this surface roughness symbol. For this purpose we have to require the knowledge of the surface roughness symbol. Right? So understood? Yes, understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we move toward the surface roughness symbol. So this is the basic introduction. This is the basic introduction. Okay, now see the surface roughness symbol. Okay, again, there is the three basic symbols out there. Okay, see, this is called as the surface. Then say, then we have to draw one inclined line like this. Okay. And again, we have to draw this inclined line like this. Okay. Suppose this is called as the leg. Okay, this is called as the legs. And suppose we have to draw the symbol like this. Suppose the height of this leg, it will be the 1 mm. 1 mm. Then height of this leg, it should be the 3 mm. The height of this leg, it should be the 3 mm. In this proportion, we have to draw this symbol. Again, this angle, okay, this angle we have to maintain at the 60 degree. Okay, this angle we have to maintain at the 60 degree. Okay, in this manner we have to draw the symbol. Okay, in this manner we have to draw the symbol. Then what is, this is the first symbol. Okay, the meaning of that symbol we will discuss later on. You have to just remember. This is the basic first symbol. Then next symbol is, again we have to draw one surface here like this. Okay. Again, in that similar manner, we have to draw one leg, short leg, like this. And again, we have to draw the big leg also. Okay. See, this line is the your surface. Okay. See, and in this symbol, we have to close that both the line. We have to close this both the lines. Okay, so I will take another line here. See, this is the second symbol. And what is the meaning of that symbol? Also, I will explain. Okay, first of all, just we have to draw the symbol here. See, this is the second symbol. And then third symbol, I'm going to draw here. Like this, and here in the second symbol we have closed these two lines, and here in between that both the line or both the leg we have to draw one circle. Okay, we have to draw here one circle. Like this. So it is visible? Yes, it is visible.
Yes, sir.
See, these are the basic three symbols. See, these are the basic three symbols are there. Now we will discuss here the meaning of that symbol. Okay. Here, so this is the surface. These are the basic symbols of the, again similar manner. The height of this, it will be the 1 mm, and height of this, it will be the 3 mm. Like this proportion should be there, and here this angle should be the 60 mm. And what is the meaning of this symbol? Yes, anybody? What is the symbol of this first? What is the meaning of this first symbol? Yes. Yes, anybody? Please tell me. What is the meaning of this symbol? What that symbol is indicate? Yes. Yes. Raut, Akanksha,
Don't know, sir.
Aditi Kadam, Nakate, yes, Avantika Sbe. Yes, please reply me.
Don't
Sir.
know, sir.
So remaining student,
Hello, sir.
yes. Yes, Subhash.
सर याच्यामध्ये साइडचा अँगल जो असतो मशीनिंग अलाउन्स साठी असतो सर.
Okay, then.
एक
No,
मिनिट
just tell me the meaning of this symbol only. Just
मशीनिंग अलाउन्स सर.
okay, then. So okay, I will explain this. See, the meaning of that first symbol is we have to prepare the any product. Okay, we have to prepare the any product by using any method. Okay, by using any method is here. Okay, any method, any production method means we have to use the machining process. Okay, means turning, milling, pressing like this. Okay, like this method also we can use. Again, also we can use the casting, forging, rolling like this. Okay, like this, any method. Means suppose we have to suppose we are having this pen. Okay, we have to just manufacture, or we have to just prepare this pen. Okay, we have to produce this pen, and to produce this pen we can use the any method. Okay, we have to produce this pen with the help of the machining process, whether we have to produce this pen with the help of the casting process, forging process. You can use any production method. Okay, you can use any production method to produce this pen, but at any cost we have to produce the pen. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, आपल्याला पेन हा मॅन्युफॅक्चर करायचा आहे. तुम्ही कोणतीही मेथड वापरा. You can use the machining processes, you can use the casting processes, you can use the extrusion processes, you can use the forging processes, but you have to prepare this product. Okay, when such type of the symbol is there, okay, if such type of the symbol is there, that time you have to understood, we have to use any method. There is no restriction of the manufacturing process. There is no any restriction. Just listen the word. There is no any restriction for the manufacturing process. You can use any manufacturing process, whether you can use the casting, forging, or machining. Okay, if such type of the symbol is there. Then next, if such type of the symbol is there in your drawing, that time you have to understood, prepare, we have to prepare the pen. Okay, you have to prepare the pen, but during the preparation of that pen, the material removal should be there. Okay, during the preparation of this pen, okay, if such type of the symbol is there, if such type of the symbol is there, that time you have to understood, we have to prepare the pen, but material should be there. Material removal should be there. म्हणजे आपण पेन तयार करायचं आहे, पण हा पेन तयार करत असताना त्या ठिकाणी मटेरियलचं रिमूव्ह झालं पाहिजे. Means which type of the process we have to use here? If such type of the symbol is there, that time which process we have to use, whether it is with the casting, yes,
Surface
Machine.
whether we have to use the casting, yes, yes or no,
No.
whether we have to use the forging,
No,
yes,
sir.
No.
whether we have to use the extrusion,
No.
whether we have to use the machining process.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Because in this process, in this casting process, the material removal is not take place. Again, here in forging also there is no material removal. Again, in that forging there is no material removal. Okay, but we have to prepare this component with the help of the machining process. Means we have to use the drilling, we have to use the facing, we have to use the cutting, we have to use the what I can say, slotting, like this. Okay, such type of the manufacturing process we have to use, such type of the production method we have to use to prepare the component. This is the meaning of this symbol. Okay, now see, the third symbol is yes. Okay, see, the next is here, removal of the material is allowed. We can say the removal of material is allowed. Just a moment. Removal of material is allowed. Okay, symbol आपण काय म्हणू शकतो? In this symbol, the removal of material is allowed. Material is allowed. Right? Allowed here. Here, this is reverse only. Okay, the material should not be removed. The material should not be removed. If such type of the symbol is there, okay, if such type of the symbol is there, we have to understood the material should not be removed. The material should not be removed. Means we have to prepare this pen. Suppose we have to prepare this pen, but during the preparation of this pen or during the production of this pen, material should not be removed. Material should not be removed. Means which method we have to use here to prepare this pen? Yes. Yes, which method we should use here? Yes, please. Material should not remove. Yes, please.
forging, sir.
Yes, you can use the forging. You can use the casting like this. Okay, you have to understood. Okay, whether you understood. So once again, I will repeat here. Okay. These are,
कास्टिंग मध्ये पण एक्स्ट्रा मटेरियल रिमूव्ह करत sir.
no. Try to understand. So once again, I will repeat here. If such type of the symbol is there, what is the meaning of this? If such type of the symbol is there, that time you can say, you can use any production method. Okay, means the material removed is allowed, not material remove. It is allowed if we have to remove the material. Again, it is allowed. If we are not remove the material, again it is allowed. Okay, any production method we have to use it. Okay, you can use the any production method. Here, this is indicate that this symbol is indicate that we have to produce the product, but material should not be removed. Sorry, material should be removed. Na? Here, material should be removed. Should be.
नाही सर मटेरियल इज अलाउड.
Yes. Yes. Yes, please.
मटेरियल इज अलाव आहे सर त्याला.
तेच की मटेरियल शुड बी
हा,
रिमूव्ड.
तिथे.
मटेरियल शुड बी रिमूव्ड म्हणजे अलाउड आहे. मटेरियल जर आपण रिमूव्ह केलं तर अलाउड आहे. त्याला मी म्हणतोय की मटेरियल शुड बी रिमूव्ड. वी कॅन रिमूव्ह द मटेरियल, नो प्रॉब्लेम. आणि हियर yes,
No
material.
removal of material.
Material not removed.
Okay.
Allow.
Okay, material removal is not allowed. Okay. तुमच्या शब्दामध्ये नॉट अलाव. ओके, नॉट अलाव या ठिकाणी तुमच्या शब्दामध्ये. ठीक आहे, नो प्रॉब्लेम. एनी बरोबर. प्लीज टेल मी. या ठिकाणी अलाव आहे का फॉर दिस सिम्बॉल? मटेरियल रिमूव्हल अलाउड और नॉट अलाउड?
Anything.
Anything. Okay, anything, no problem. Here, material removal is allowed or not allowed?
Allowed.
Allowed. Material removal is allowed. And here?
Not allowed.
Not allowed. For your better understanding, means here, which production method we have to use?
Forging, casting.
Yes, forging, casting, no problem. Here we can use the
Machining.
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 and here we can use the machining or casting. Like,
Forging.
okay, see, simple. This is the symbol. Okay, again it is very, very important symbol. Okay, on this symbol 101% question will be there. Okay, 101% question will be there. You have to remember that all this. Okay, so understood? Yes, now we are combining that all the symbols, and finally we'll create the one symbol for the surface roughness. That symbol is called as the surface roughness symbol. These are the basic symbols. Okay, so now I will draw here main symbol. It is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, this is our surface. So this is the surface. This is the surface. That surface we have to check. Now here again we have to close that both the line, so that I will take another line here. Okay. See, this is the main symbol for the surface roughness. See, this is the main symbol. Here, what that symbol is indicated. Okay, what that symbol is indicated. Now see here. See this portion of this symbol. See this portion. This portion is indicate the surface roughness value. Okay. This portion is indicate the roughness value of your surface. Roughness value of your surface. It may be the 50 micron, like this. Okay, you have to remember. Okay, at this portion it will indicate the surface roughness value. Again, this portion, okay, this portion it will indicate the production method. Okay, it will indicate the production method. This portion it will indicate the production method. Means which production method we have to use. Okay, which production method we have to use to produce that particular component. Okay, production method. Again, this portion below this line, this portion it will indicate the sampling length. The sampling length. Then what is meant by the sampling length? Yes, anybody? Suppose we are having this component and we have to measure the surface roughness. Okay, suppose we have to, this is our the component of workpiece, we can say, and suppose we have to measure the surface roughness of that component. So every time it is not possible to measure the all the length. म्हणजे पूर्ण कंपोनेंट आपल्याला चेक करणं शक्य आहे का नाही, मी काय करतो त्यातला एवढाच पार्ट घेतो चेक करायला. ओके, मीन्स दॅट मच लेंथ ओनली. सपोज दॅट मच लेंथ अप टू दॅट मच लेंथ ओनली आय हॅव चेक्ड देअर सरफेस रफनेस व्हॉट एव्हर थिंग. म्हणजे ह्या कंपोनेंट मधला मी एवढाच भाग फक्त चेक केलेला आहे. ओके, हाऊ मच पार्ट वी हॅव टू चेक. ओके, अप टू हाऊ मच लेंथ दिस पार्ट वी हॅव टू चेक. दिस लेंथ इज कॉल्ड एज द सॅम्पलिंग लेंथ. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द सॅम्पलिंग लेंथ. म्हणजे एखाद्या कंपोनेंटचा तुम्ही किती भाग चेक केलेला आहे, इट इज कॉल्ड एज द सॅम्पलिंग लेंथ. ओके, and that this portion below this line it will indicate the sampling length. Okay, okay, now see this portion. Okay, this portion it will indicate the direction of lay. This portion it will indicate the direction of lay. Then what is mean by the direction of lay? Yes, anybody? Already I have told you. What is mean by the direction of lay? What is mean by the direction of lay? Yes. What is meant by the direction of lay? Yes.
Surface pattern.
Okay, surface pattern means irregularity pattern we can call. Shivraj, not a surface pattern. We can say the irregularity pattern.
Yes.
Suppose this is our surface and see this is the irregularity. Okay, this is the irregularity on the surface of the component. See this irregularity. Whether that irregularities are the parallel, okay, whether this the direction of that irregularities, okay, the direction of that irregularities it is called as the direction of lay. म्हणजे एखादा कंपोनेंट आहे आणि त्याचा सरफेस वरती कसं रफ आहे, त्या रफ जी काय irregularities आहेत त्याचं डायरेक्शन कसे आहे. ओके, व्हॉट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ दॅट irregularities? That direction of that irregularities it is called as the direction of the lay. Okay, now that direction of lay it will be the parallel. ओके, पॅरलल असू शकतात. म्हणजे बघा जर डायरेक्शन ऑफ लay कसं असू शकतात, पॅरलल असू शकतात अशा पद्धतीने लाईक दिस, किंवा बघा परपेंडिक्युलर असू शकतात लाईक दिस. ओके, किंवा कंपोनेंट वरती जी काय अनरेग्युलरिटी आहेत दॅट अनरेग्युलरिटी इट विल बी द सर्क्युलर मॅनर लाईक दिस. ओके, क्रॉस बी असू शकतात. ओके, सी दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन विल बी शो बाय द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द लay. डायरेक्शन ऑफ ले आपल्याला काय दाखवणार आहे, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ ले इट विल शो द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द irregularities or pattern of that irregularity, whether that irregularities are the parallel, whether that irregularities are the perpendicular, whether that irregularity is the circular like this. It is called as the direction of lay. Okay, this portion it will indicate the direction of lay. Okay, understood? Yes. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, one part is remaining at this side. Okay, this side of this symbol, it will indicate the machining allowance. 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 Simple. Okay, that much information. Okay, that much information will get from this surface roughness symbol. म्हणजे या symbol वरून आपल्याला काय माहिती कळू शकते? Which information we will get from this symbol? We will get what is the surface roughness value of that component. Okay, surface roughness value. Then which production method is used to produce this component? Production method. Then how much sampling length we have to taken for this measurement? Okay, sampling length. Then which type of the direction of lay is required? Okay, which type of the direction lay should be there? Direction of lay. Then and how much machining allowance we have to take to produce this component. Okay, जर आपण असा सिम्बॉल ड्रॉइंग मध्ये ड्रॉ केला आणि इथं प्रत्येक ठिकाणी जर व्हॅल्यू आपण ठेवली त्याची, okay, from this value that operator he will be easily understood how to manufacture the component. Okay, suppose for example, suppose we have to manufacture this bottle. Okay, suppose we have to manufacture this bottle, and okay, to manufacture this bottle we have given this surface roughness symbol. Okay, ड्रॉइंग मध्ये आपण हा surface roughness symbol ड्रॉ करून दिला आहे. Okay, for example, suppose here, right now you please tell me suppose in that symbol, suppose I have write down here values. Suppose, okay, then please tell me what is the meaning of this symbol right now. And suppose we have to manufacture the one bottle like this. Suppose we have to manufacture the bottle like this. Okay, like this. Okay, for to manufacture this bottle we have given this symbol. Please tell me what is the meaning of this 6.3 micron. What is the meaning of this? What this value is indicate? Yes.
Surface roughness.
Okay, means the roughness of this bottle, should be up to the 6.3 micron. Okay, then next, what is this milling is indicate that? Yes,
Production method.
Production method.
means with the help of the milling, we have to produce this component. Which production method we have to use? Milling is used. Then what is indicate this 2 mm? Okay, what is
Sampling.
Sampling length.
means only 2 mm portion we have to check. Only 2 mm portion. This 2 mm portion we have to check. Okay, understood? Only 2 mm portion we have to check here. 2 mm like this. Okay, म्हणजे या 2 mm ची आपण काय करणार आहे? चेक करणार आहे सगळं. काय चेक करणार आहे? ज्यामध्ये सरफेस रफनेस काय असेल ते like this. Okay, so this is the sampling length. Then what is meaning of this? What is meaning of this?
Direction of lay.
Okay.
Okay, means during the production we have to remember the pattern of that irregularity. The pattern of that irregularity, it should be parallel. It should be parallel. Understood? And what is this? 2 mm.
Machining allowance.
Okay, even during the production we have to allow the 2 mm as a machining allowance like this. Okay, see, this is the meaning of that surface roughness symbol. So understood? Yes. Which information we will get from this surface roughness symbol? Yes, please tell me. From this surface roughness symbol, which information we will get? Please tell me. Yes,
roughness of surface,
Okay. Production
type
method.
of production,
The
allowances,
allowances, then sampling, length, and direction of
and
length.
direction.
Machining allowance.
Okay, that much information we will get from this surface roughness value. Okay, now the next point is the we have to see here surface roughness values. Surface roughness value किती आहेत आपल्याला बघायचे आहेत. Surface roughness grade and the symbols. Now it is visible to all.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now see the surface roughness grade and the symbol. Just see here. See, this is the roughness value. Okay, this is the roughness value, surface roughness value, and that surface roughness value it will be in micrometer. Okay, micron. In the micron we can call then surface roughness grade. See the chart. This is the surface roughness grade and surface roughness grade symbol. Okay. Now see what are that surface roughness values. Then again it is a 50 micron, then 25 micron, then 25 micron, then 6.3 micron, then 3.5 micron, right? Like 1.6 micron, like this. Okay, this is the highest surface roughness value. म्हणजे आपलं 50 micron जर surface roughness असेल तर we can easily understood it is the very rough surface. It is the very rough surface, and suppose the surface roughness value it will be at 0.025. We can say it is the very smooth surface is there. Yeah, right? Yeah, right?
Yes.
You have to remember this. This is the highest surface roughness value. Okay. If 50 is there and if more than 50 is there. Okay. Suppose there is the more than 50 micron surface roughness is there. We can easily understood for this component. Okay. For this component, surface roughness, the roughness of that surface, it is not important. म्हणजे समजा आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे. Suppose we have to manufacture the pen, and suppose the surface roughness of that pen is they have given suppose 55, then again it is very rough. Again it is very rough. Okay, from this we can easily understand. Okay, and if suppose they have given the surface roughness is required 0.05, we can say very fine surface will be there. Very fine surface is required. Okay, see this is the surface roughness value. Okay, and this is the grade for that surface roughness value. Okay, for example, see here for the okay for okay for this 50 micron surface value. Okay, for that 50 micron surface value, what is the grade? That grade it will be the N12. Okay, and for that the N12, what is the symbol? Like this wave type symbol is there, wave type. Okay, wave type. Then what is the next surface roughness value? Next surface roughness value is the 25, and for this 25, this is the grade number N11, and this is the symbol. Now see how to remember this chart. Yes, anybody? Any trick is there? How to remember this chart? Yes. Okay. How to remember? म्हणजे आपल्याला ह्याच्यामध्ये काय रिमेंबर करावं लागणार आहे?
सर रफनेस व्हॅल्यू ही 50 आहे ना फर्स्ट N12 ची डिवायडेड बाय 2 केलं सगळ्या व्हॅल्यूजला डिवायडेड बाय 2 केलं तर आपण लक्षात.
गुड, इट इज व्हेरी नाईस. गुड गुड. म्हणजे काय करायचं बघा, सपोज we have to take first only 50 micron, that value we have to remember. Okay, only 50 micron, this first surface roughness value we have to remember, and then okay, then how to calculate the second? Just we have to divide by 2 to this value. Then what is the answer? It will be the 25. Again we have to divide to the 25, again it will become the 25 point something like this. Okay, again we have to divide by 2 it, again it will become the 6 point See, it is correct or wrong? Please do it.
Wrong.
Correct, sir.
What is wrong?
Eh?
You divide na 25.5. Sorry, 12.5 divided by the 2. What is the answer? Yes, please tell me the answer. Divide and please tell me the answer.
6.25.
6.25. ओके, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी टू असेल तर आपण दोन एका डिजिट मध्ये घ्यायचं आपल्याला, तर आपण इथं 2 च 3 करू शकतो ना. Like this. Okay, again we have to divide it by 2. Again this answer will be there. Okay, again we have to divide it by the 2. Again this will be there. Okay, again we have to divide it by the 2. Again it will be there. Like this. Okay, like this we have to calculate that all the surface roughness value. Okay, am I right? It is right or wrong?
Right, sir.
In this manner we have to remember the all the surface roughness value. Like this. Okay, then how to remember this surface roughness grade? Okay, just we have to remember that N12. Okay, just we have to remember the N12 and again we have to write down in the decreasing manner. Now see here, 12 is there, then 11, 10, 9 is there, then 8 is there, then 7 is there, 6 is there, 5 is there, 4 is there, 3 is there, 2 is there, and 1 is there. Just we have to remember the N12. And what is the surface roughness? First surface roughness value 50. We have to remember the 50, 12, and right now how to remember this surface roughness grade symbol. Okay, how to remember this surface roughness grade symbol? Again, it is very simple. Okay, for the first value only we have to remember the symbol is the wave type symbol. Okay, wave type symbol is there. Then, okay, then this is the first. Okay, then for we have to combine the N11 and N10. We have to combine that both, and for this we have to draw only single triangle. Okay, only that we have to draw the single triangle. Again we have to combine the 3 grades. Okay, N9, N8, and N7. We have to combine that, and here we have to combine 3 so that, okay, sorry, here we have combined 2, here we have combined 3. Okay, here we have taken the only single triangle, here we have to take the double triangle. 2 triangle we have to join. Again we have to take the 4 grades. 1, 2, 3, sorry, 3 grade. Again we have to take the 3. Here also we have to take the 3. Okay, 3. And again here we have taken the single triangle, here we have taken the 2 triangle, here we have to take the 3 triangles. Okay, 3 triangles are there. Again we have to combine the 1, 2, and 3 grades like this. Okay, and here we have to take the 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3. Okay, in this manner we have to remember that whole chart. Understood how to remember that whole chart? Surface, grade, and symbol chart. Yes, understood or not? First upon we
Yes,
have
sir.
to combine the 2 grades. We have to use the single triangle. Then we have to combine the 3 grades, and we have to remember 2 triangle, 3 triangle, and 4 triangles. Here 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle, and 4 triangle. Okay. And here how to calculate the surface roughness value? Just we have to remember the 50 surface roughness value, and the remaining surface roughness value we can calculate by divided to each surface roughness value. Okay, automatically we get the all the surface roughness value. Then for the only one surface roughness grade we have to remember, that is the N12, and we have to write down decreasing manner: 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1, like this. And only for the N12 we have to draw the wave type symbol, and for the remaining, first of all we have to combine the 2 grade, draw the 1 triangle. Then we have to combine the 3 grade, we have to draw the 2 triangle. Then again we have to combine the 3 grade, we have to draw the 3 triangle. Again we have to combine the 3 grade, we have to draw the 4 triangle. Okay, like this we have to remember this whole chart. Okay, understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So, okay, on this point also, there may be chance of asking the question. How they will ask the question like this? Okay, just a moment. Okay, now see how they will ask the question in the examination. Okay, they will ask the question like this. Okay, they will ask the question like this. Suppose in the examination they will give the N9. Okay, N9. And they will ask what is the surface roughness value for that N9? What is the surface roughness value for that N9? The surface roughness value for that N9, it will be the 6.3 like this. Or they will give in another type also they will ask the question. Suppose sometimes they will give the surface roughness value. What is the surface roughness grade for the 0.4 surface roughness value? What is the surface grade? What is the surface grade for 0.4? Yes,
N5.
N5. Okay. Okay. And okay, in another manner also they will ask what is the grade symbolical what is the symbol for that N4 grade? What is the symbol for the N4 grade? Yes. What is the symbol for the N4 grade?
3 triangles.
Okay, 3 time triangles like this. Okay, so in such manner they will ask the questions. Okay. Okay, so understood. Then what is its practical use? What is the practical application of the chart? Yes. Okay. Suppose we are having one component like this. Okay. And in that on the surface of this component, suppose they have one symbol like this. One triangle is given, and here they have right int. Like this symbol they have given for int. Okay. Now what is the meaning of this? Yes, what is the meaning of this? On the surface of this component, see, this is the component, and on the surface of this component they have drawn one triangle, and near to that triangle they have right here N10. Now what is the meaning of this? This symbol. Yes, anybody?
Roughness of that component is 12.5.
Right.
Yeah,
Very,
micron.
very nice. Very nice. Okay, from that you have to remember. Okay, they have given one triangle. Okay, they have given one triangle and they have given the N10. During that we have to remember the surface roughness value of this surface. The surface roughness value of this surface, it should be 12.5. Like this. Like this. Okay. Okay, sometimes they will go like this. Okay, here they will draw the true triangle, and here they will go the N7. Okay, then what is the meaning of that? Yes, what is the meaning of this? The surface roughness of this surface. The surface roughness of this surface, it should be how much?
1.6.
1.6 मायक्रॉन. म्हणजे हे जे काय कंपोनंट आहे, ह्या कंपोनंटची काय एज आहे किंवा ही काय सरफेस आहे, या सरफेसची सरफेस व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला सरफेस रफनेस व्हॅल्यू किती आली पाहिजे? 1.6 आली पाहिजे. This is the meaning of this all this. Okay, so understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please just in 5 minutes I will try to draw that whole the charts. Okay, whole the chart. Just remember, first is the 50, then 12, and this way. Okay, this way, and again here 2 grade, then 3 grade, this like this. Okay, Just 1 minute. Okay. Please first we will try to draw this. Because this chart is very important. Okay. Let's see here. Here we will write down roughness value. Okay. Here we get the grade. And here we will write down the grade symbol. Grade symbol. So please tell me the first. What is the first grade?
50 micron.
Yes.
Grade EN12,
No. Surface roughness value. Please tell me the surface roughness
50
value.
micron.
It will be the first is the 50 micron. Okay. First upon can we calculate the all the surface roughness value? Yes. And what is
Yes.
the second? What is the second?
25.
20. Sorry, 12.5. Sorry.
So
25.
25. Okay. The second is the 25. Okay. Then third
12.5.
12.5. Then fourth
6.3.
6.3. Then 5.
3.2.
Then 6.
1.6.
1.6. Then 7.
0.8.
0.8.
Okay. Then
0.4.
then
0.2.
0.2.
then
0.1.
up to this ना इथपर्यंतच आहे का
Another.
0.5 ना sorry 0.05
Yes, 0.05.
बरोबर ना this is right ना
Oh.
then please tell me the grade
Another one is remaining.
what is 0.00 का
0.0025.
0.025.
25 is there ना
Yes.
Yes, sir.
0 ना like this ना
Right, sir.
so then next is the grade what is the grade for that 15 surface roughness value
EN12,
N12.
N12 then for the 25
N11.
N11,
11 then N
N10,
then
N9,
N9,
N9 then
N8,
N8,
N8 then
N7.
then
N6,
N6 then N5
5,
N4
N2,
then N3 N2 N1
1.
okay. Now these are the grade then tell me the grade symbol what is the symbol for the N12
Wave.
Just 1 minute. Symbol for the N12 is like this okay then what is the symbol for the N11
Triangle.
okay
single
now,
triangle.
triangle na
Yes, reverse triangle.
okay, only one reverse triangle okay and it is for the that
N11.
and
N10.
N10. Then we have to take the 3 grades, N9, N8, and N7. And for that, what is the grade?
Double triangle.
Two triangle.
Four times.
Two
Two
triangles.
reverse triangle.
Two reverse triangles are there. Good. Is correct. Okay, then again we have to take the 3 grades. 2, 3 grades, and here for these 3 grades, what is the
Three
symbol?
triangles.
Three reverse
Triangle.
triangle.
3 reverse triangles are there. And again for remaining 3 grades are there, and for that, yes,
Four triangle.
4 inverted triangles are there. Like this. 2, 3, and 6. It's correct? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the surface roughness grade chart. Okay, so any doubt, any problem with there? Everything is understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please, remaining students, anybody having any problem? Yes. Yes, please reply me.
No, sir.
Okay, everyone has got?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
okay. So thank you for today. That much are sufficient. Okay, and whatever the remaining part is there, that part or that points we will discuss in the next lecture.